In case if the applications in your iPhone are crashing frequently, then let us see how to fix it. The first thing what you have to do is you have to simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting the iPhone fixes many of the minor issues. So since I have an iPhone X, so if I have to restart my iPhone, I have to press this side button and the volume button at the same time. Then I have to slide the power off and then restart the iPhone again. So once you have restarted the iPhone, check if the applications can work properly or not. Now the next thing what you have to check is you have to check how much of space is left in your iPhone. For the applications to run properly, there should be at least some space left in your iPhone. So what I will do, I will go and open settings. I will go to general. I will go to iPhone storage, and here I can check how much of space is left in my iPhone. So I have used 31.9 gigabyte out of 64 gigabyte. That means I have enough space left in my iPhone. If you don't have, you need to delete applications or delete files so that you can make space for applications to run properly. Now the next thing what you have to do is you have to check if there is an update available for the application that is crashing. For example, if I want to find out if there is an update available for a Messenger application, what I can do, I can go ahead and open App Store. Then here what I will do, I will tap on this search icon and then I look for the application Messenger. Now right now if you see, I have open button. That means my Facebook Messenger is up to date. If there is an update available, you will see here update instead of open, and then you have to update the application. The other thing what you can do is you can also delete the application entirely and then reinstall it again to check if this will fix the issue. But before you delete applications such as WhatsApp application, you should back up the application so that you can retrieve the chat what were present in the application. So if I want to delete the application, what I will do, I will tap and hold this application and then I can select delete app, and once the app is deleted, I can again go to App Store and then I can look for the application and then reinstall it again. So after you have deleted the application and reinstall it again, check if the application will work properly now or not. The other thing what you have to do is you have to check if there is an update available for your iOS software or not. Sometimes because of the conflict between the application and the iOS version, the application might not work properly, and this might be fixed by the new update which is available for the iOS software. So if you want to find out whether there is an update available or not, go to settings, go to general, go to software update. Now iPhone is looking if there is an update available or not. I have an update pending, so if I want to download, what I have to do is I have to select this option download and install, and my iOS will be updated to the latest version, which is iOS 14, and then I can check if this will fix the issue. So once you do all of these things, check if this has fixed the issue or not. Now if the issue does not get fixed, then what might be the problem is the problem might be with the application itself. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to contact the developer of the program, and then you have to inform them that their application is not working with your device, whether it might be Android or iOS. Hopefully this should fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful, so that other people also can get benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the notification bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.